There was an earthquake question on the last exam. Earthquake questions are not too bad. Sometimes they'll give you the formula for them, and sometimes you can just sort of figure them out from where they are. Now, the formula for the magnitude of an earthquake looks like that, where this I stands for the intensity, S stands for a standard one, and so you can use this formula to calculate the intensity in terms of a standard one. Chile, 9.5, that's huge. So what we could do for A is using the formula, we know the magnitude is 9.5. If we wanted to solve for the intensity, it's inside the log. So we're going to need to change from log form to exponential. Base is 10, the exponent is 9.5. Oops, equals multiply both sides by S. So what this is saying is that that earthquake was 10 to the power 9.5 times more intense than a standard earthquake. Not a standard earthquake, just some sort of standard that's set. And that standard is probably something like what's the least amount that they can still register on a Richter scale, and then use that as a comparison. So then in B, how many times as intense as the Haiti earthquake was the Chilean earthquake? And did they give Haiti in the question beside? Yes. So Haiti had a magnitude of 7. So can you see that if you did exactly the same work but had 7 here instead of 9.5, that for Haiti, the intensity would be 10 to the 7 times the standard earthquake. And if you were to compare the two, how much bigger was one than the other? I'll show you with formulas, and then I'll show you the shortcut that you'll probably always use. That would be a very shortcut, just saying the answer, but we'll get there. So we want to compare how much times bigger the intensity of Chile was compared to the intensity of Haiti. So what I'm going to do with this intensity here is I'm going to just put a little C so we know that's intensity of Chile, and I'm going to put a little H here to say that that's the intensity of Haiti. And if we are trying to find out how much bigger Chile is than Haiti, I could say that the intensity of Chile is equal to K times the intensity of Haiti. That would be sort of a way to write an equation. And I want to figure out what K is, how much times bigger this one is than this one. Now, if you wanted to get K by itself, what would you do here? You would divide. So that's not hard. K is intensity of Chile over intensity of Haiti. Now, if we write out what they were with the formulas, you figured out the intensity of Chile was 10 to the 9.5 times the standard one. And the intensity of Haiti was 10 to the 7 times the standard one. And it doesn't matter what your standard one is, because those would cancel out. And this will always happen. And if you use your exponent laws, if you have the same bases and you're dividing, you subtract the exponents, so you're going to get 10 to the power of 2.5, which is how much? 360? 16. So it's 316 times bigger. Basically, whenever you go up by 1, you multiply your intensity by 10. Oh, very exciting. Big smile. So smooth and weird. I get the same feeling after I brush my teeth. But the shortcut for this is you can go directly to this fraction. If you went from an earthquake from 6 to 8.2, you've gone from 6 to 8.2 is up 2.2, so the intensity will be 10 to the 2.2 times bigger. If you go up by 1, it's going to be 10 times bigger. So you can go directly to this fraction and show how much more intense it is.